So here is the exercise 4.2. Question number 1 is find the cube roots of the following numbers by prime factorization. Okay, you have to find out the cube roots with the help of LCM method, that we can say with the prime factorization method, and then you have to verify this question with the shortcut method. In the bracket they have written that use the shortcut method and verify. You have to verify these questions with the shortcut method. Okay, now let's start the question. This is your prime factorization. Okay, 5832, you have to start with prime factorization. Now this will go on first of all 2 table, then on 2, then on 2, then 3, 3, 3, then again on 3, 3, 3. So how many cubes are there? First cube, second cube, third cube. So cube root of 5832 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, or we can write down if we want to write the symbol of cube root. So here is a symbol of cube root. It is equal to 5832, and this is a under root. Okay, symbol of under root, and when we are going to find out cube root, then you have to place a 3 here. Okay, so this is a symbol of cube root. So cube root of 5832 is equal to 2 3s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. This is your answer. Okay, now you have to verify the question. So verification with the shortcut method. The method that I'm going to tell you, this is a shortcut method. Okay, so this is a shortcut method. So what you have to do, you have to write down the question. Question is 5832. Put a bar. Okay, you have to make a bar on 3 digits from the last digit. Okay, start from the last digit and put a bar on 3 digit. Whatever digits are left, put a bar over there. Okay, so this 3 digits, this first bar is your first group, and the second bar is your second group. Okay, now step number 1 is from first group, this group. Okay, from 832. Okay, you have to pick this last value. You have to pick last value from this first group. Pick the last value. Okay, take a cube of 2. Now when you will pick this 2, you have to take a cube of 2. 2 cube is 8. Okay, now step number 2, find from the second group. Okay, second group is 5. Write down that 5. Now you have to select, or you have to choose a cube which is lesser than 5. So there is only one cube which is lesser than 5, and one cube is a cube of 1. Okay, so these are the 2 values, this and this. These are the 2 values. Okay, now third step is write down these values in a way. Okay, how, in which manner you have to write down these values. First of all, this 8 value, 8 you have to write at 1's place, and this 1 you have to write as at 10th place. Okay, so 8 will come here and 1 will come here. Now this is your answer, and you can match your answer with your whatever you have done with the prime factorization. Here the answer is 18, here again answer is coming 18. So hence verified. This is your question. Okay, now I'll tell you one more part. Okay, rest you have to do properly by on. Okay, suppose I am doing part number B. Okay, I'll tell you part number C. Okay, B part I'll send you PDF. From there you can note down part number B. Okay, methods are same. This question we have discussed in the class also. Question is 74088. Find out with the prime factorization. It will go on 2 table, then it will go on 3 tables 3 times. Then it will go on 7 table 3 times. Okay, so there are 3 cubes. So cube root of 74088 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Or you can write down cube root of 74088 is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. So this is the answer. Okay, now let's start the verification with the shortcut method. So you have to start from the last digit. On the 3 digits put a bar, and rest of the digits, whatever digits are left, put a bar over there. So this first bar, the digits which are coming in the first bar, that is your first group, and this is your second group. Now step number 1, you have to take this first group. Okay, from the first group you have to pick this last value and take out the cube of 8. Cube of 8 is 512. Okay, now you have to write down only 2 in the answer. Now from the second group, take out 74. Now you have to choose which cube is lesser than 74. So there is a 64. 64 is lesser than 74, and 64 is a cube of 4. So here these two are the values of your answer. Now how you have to write these two values in the answer? Step number 3 is write down this 2 at 1's place and 4 at 10's place. So write down 2 at 1's place and 4 at 10's place. So your answer is 42. You can match your answer from the above prime factorization. Your answer was 42, and here your answer is coming 42. So hence you have verified the question. So this is the question number 1. Okay, now I am going to tell you question number 2. Question number 2 is very simple. Okay, so here is question number 2. Find the number of digits in the cube root of the following perfect cubes by grouping the digits. Verify them by finding their cube roots. Okay, so this is your question. Question number 2, part number A. You have to do first of all grouping. Okay, grouping in the same manner that we have done in the first question. This is your first. These 3 digits will come in under the first bar, and the rest of the digits will come under the second bar. So this is your first group, this is your second group. Okay, now how many groups are there? 2 groups. So therefore number of digits will be equal to 2. Got it? Now you have to find out the cube root of the answer. So the answer of cube root is, when you will take out the cube root of this 19683, you can take out, if you have learned cubes till 30, then you can directly write the answer. Okay, so you can directly write the answer. This is a cube root of 27. Okay, so this is a cube of 27. So cube root of this is 27. And how many digits are coming? 1, 2. And in the earlier you have written that 2 digits will be there in the answer. So here are 2 digits. Hence verified. Okay, you can learn cubes up to 30, then you can directly write the answer, and then you can check it out. How many digits are there? 1, 2. 2 digits are there. Okay, 2 digits, so it is matched, so hence verified. Okay, or you can find the cube root with the prime factorization. Okay, if you haven't learned till 30. Second part is 2, 1, 4, 6, 6, 8, 9. Now these 3 digits is your will come under the first bar. Next 3 digit, second bar. How many digits are left? Only 1 digit is left, so that will come under the third bar. So how many groups are there? First group, second group, third group. Okay, so I have told that if you are having 2 groups, then number of digits will be 2. If you are having 3 groups, then number of digits will be 3. So let's take out the cube root of this. You can take out a cube root with the prime factorization, or if you have learned, then you can directly write the answer. Okay, so I have taken out this with the prime factorization, okay, in my rough page. Then your answer is coming 129. Okay, so how many digits are coming? 1, 2, 3. And in the earlier you have told that number of digits will be 3 in the cube root. Okay, so it is matched. So how many digits are there? So there are 3 digits. So hence you have verified. Okay, it is very simple. C part is 729. So only there are 3 digits, so only 1 bar will come. So here only 1 group will be there. So number of digits will be 1. If there are 1 group, if there are 2 groups, then number of digits will be 2. If there are 3 groups, then number of digits will be 3. If there is a 1 group, then number of digits will be 1. So cube root of 729 is a cube of 9, obviously. Okay, 9. So how many digits are there? Only 1 digit. So you have matched. Okay, both answers are matching, so hence verified. This is a question number 2. Okay, next questions, question number 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, so do your work very properly, very carefully, and third part is this fourth part is left that you have to do by on. Okay, so now question number 1 and 2 is totally complete. Okay, now you have to note down all the questions in the fair notebook. Once go for the practice in your practice notebook and then go for the fair work. Bye bye, take care.